Focused groups and market research in general doesn't need to be intimidating at all. Really, just as a guideline, when you think about setting out for a discussion and inviting people in, you kind of want to think really big and broad first and then dive down, and starting with the problem, not starting with your solution. So for example, when we started talking to people, it was, what do you do in the mornings? What is your nutrition? Are you happy? Are you proud of the way you're feeding your family? Really high level. Learn as much as you can about the problem that you're trying to solve before you dive down. So you might have an hour and a half with folks, ask them a lot of questions up front. You almost want to think of it like a funnel in the discussion where you're defining the problem, then you might get into your own category and all the way down to, here's an idea that we've created. Does this sort of meet the needs of your pain points and your problems? Just don't be intimidated. It's just a conversation, script it out in advance, start really big and broad, and then feed up your idea. Any feedback is a gift.
You need to be part of the largest community of subscription innovators. For just $9 a month or $99 a year, not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. If you've attended our events in the past or plan to come to one of our events in the future, joining SUBTA becomes a no-brainer, as all members get discounts on tickets. Join today at SUBTA.com.